Hello, everyone. Welcome to my first video. In this vid, I will be making a really simple logo or picture or whatever you wanna call it, using elements from Canva itself. Let's get started. First, choose your preferred background color. I'm using this light purple. Next, go ahead and choose your preferred text or font. I'm just going to use this default one that says beach please. Wanna make the words stand out, so I'm gonna Ctrl+C+V and change the colors to white. And click on position and click on backward to send the white words behind the colored ones. Use your arrow keys to adjust their positions. Head over to Elements and search for the elements you want. I'm using a dotted border and white circle. Finally, I'm changing the colors of the dots by picking matching colors from Document Colors. And that's it. Just save the image and you're done. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe, leave a like and comment what you wanna see next. Bye.